Hello there, and welcome back to our Natural Remedies channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and recipes. Today, we're diving into a topic that's gaining a lot of popularity, a beginner's guide to a low-carb diet. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy, or improve your overall health, a low-carb diet might just be the answer you're looking for. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is a low-carb diet? Simply put, a low-carb diet focuses on reducing your intake of carbohydrates, which are found in foods like bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. Instead, you'll be eating more proteins, healthy fats, and vegetables. The goal is to lower your blood sugar levels and encourage your body to burn fat for fuel, which can help with weight loss and other health benefits. Now you might be wondering, why should I consider a low-carb diet? Well, here are a few key benefits. First, weight loss. By cutting out carbs, your body starts using stored fat as energy, which can lead to shedding those extra pounds. Second, improved blood sugar levels. A low-carb diet can help stabilize your blood sugar, which is especially beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. And third, increased energy levels. Many people report feeling more energetic and focused after switching to a low-carb lifestyle. All right, so now that we know the benefits, here are some quick tips to help you get started on your low-carb journey. Tip number 1. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, leafy greens, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Tip number 2. Gradually reduce your carb intake instead of cutting them out all at once. This can help prevent cravings and make the transition smoother. Tip number 3. Stay hydrated and make sure you're getting enough electrolytes, especially in the beginning, to avoid feeling sluggish. And finally, tip number 4. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes. Low carb doesn't mean boring. There are tons of delicious options out there. And there you have it, a simple guide to getting started with a low-carb diet. Remember, the key is to find what works best for you and to make sustainable changes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I've left you a link in the description below that will take you to a keto recipe book, which is a perfect accompaniment for the start of your journey. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite low-carb recipe or any questions you have about the diet. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.